So welcome back to Electric Vehicle channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So these are versatile electric scooters, and these are right now in India, these are the most affordable electric scooters that are available in the market. Coming to the design, this versatile 45Li, 55Li, 90Li, all these are actual variants. There is no difference in the design, but the only change is the battery pack. But apart from this, everything is same. The design, the motor, everything is same, but only the battery pack will changes. And now coming to the electric scooter, recently they have updated the design of versatile electric scooter. In our channel we already did versatile electric scooter review. The earlier one, this electric scooter design looks like this, but recently they have updated the design. So this is somewhat looking like a sporty look electric scooter. They have completely filled the metal body here, but whereas the previous model, if you look at this, there is a U curve here, but now they have completely filled that with metal only. Even this part also they have filled with metal body. So but the previous one, it is actually open. So these are some of the minor changes they have did in this electric scooter design in the recent update. And also the previous electric scooter having a wide space actually, so the seat actually a little far from the the throttle, but there is a small distance here, but now they have adjusted the seat a little front to that throttle, so you will see that the distance is somewhat near to the throttle. They have modified this design to give more stability to the rider. So actually if you consider the previous one, there is this, while you're riding the scooter, if you try to ride this with a single hand, you may lose control when you are going with a little speed, but this is somewhat more stable than this model. And the backside also they have adjusted this back seat. Whatever the metal they are, earlier there is a kind of gaps in that, for the pillion. So there is the back seat looks like this. It is actually made with metal, but there are some gaps in that. But whereas the recent updated, so it is completely filled with metal, but there are some small holes here. Apart from this, everything is finished actually. And also on the back side of the electric scooter also, they have finished with the metal only, but earlier one there is no such kind of metal finishing actually. So these are the modifications they have did in the recent design of versatile electric scooters. So now let's see the complete review of versatile 55Li electric scooter. So starting from the design itself, I think they have designed this electric scooter in such a way it should be suitable for all age groups, starting from school going children and also till the office or to the senior citizen, women, everything. Because if you see that the seat height, it is very low height. I think even a kid can also ride this e-bike. That's why I think they have given that flexibility to sit anybody, any kind of age groups, even from your schooling going on to the office also. And coming to the design part, most of the components are made with metal. I think very less components are made with plastic, even though the scooter is very small and compact. But if you talk about the build quality, most of these made with metal. You see the back one and the front design, the baggage here, and also the front designing everything. And they have given a versatile styling here, the logo, and also these supporting rods also, this is made with metal. And the footboard here, it is completely made with metal, and this is where the battery pack will be kept under. And also the side supporters of the footboard also actually made with metal, and also the back side and everything, most of the thing. But whereas few components are made with plastic. Even the mudguard also seem to be designed with metal only, but seems to be very delicate actually. Someone think that it is actually plastic, but if they feel that if they hit that, then they will understand actually this is also metal. But I actually thought, I got confused that it is whether metal or plastic, but later I came to know that it is also metal. So most of the components, I think 90% of it is actually made with metal. So now let's talk about the specifications of this versatile electric scooter. So the top speed is actually 25 kph, as this is a no license, no registration electric scooter. So definitely the top speed should be limited to 25 kph. That's how the speed also 25 kph. And also the motor capacity is 250 watt motor. It is a hub motor. It is mounted on the back side, and the motor gets power from a lithium-ion battery pack. For this 55Li variant, the battery capacity is a 504 watt hour lithium-ion battery pack, and the battery pack is mounted under this footboard. You can see under the footboard there is a battery pack here. When the charging port is there below this footboard only, we'll see the charging port. And also the charging time. Coming to the charging time is 4 hours for a full charge, and the power consumption you will get is half unit for each and every single charge. You will get half unit. So if you use this electric scooter regularly for 1 month, your power consumption, you don't find much difference in your power consumption. It will be like routine your power bill also, you don't find much difference in it. And whereas the braking of this electric scooter is actually disc brakes, front and rear disc brakes are good. These are the and also on the accessory side there is a side stand here. You don't get any kind of center stand, it is only comes with a side stand. But whereas if you need any footrest, you need to pay extra amount for that. I think it's around 1000 rupees you need to pay the footrest. It is actually optional. So if you want that footrest also, they will fix it, and it is an option, and this is an optional feature. So whereas the wiring is actually into that, these wires are also, you can see that on the back side of the scooter they have adjusted into this lining and all. Everything is behind the scooter, but if you see the scooter from front side you don't see much, but on the back side there the wires are properly wide, and these are actually fed to the battery pack, and again they are fed to the motor. So these are the complete specification details of Versatile 55Li. So we'll check the test ride review of this and we'll get back and how it performs. Let's try this Versatile 55Li electric scooter and check the performance of it. I'm seeing the comfort levels of this electric scooter. So just like I mentioned that the wide footboard, that's the reason you will feel comfortable. And let me check on the speed breakers. I don't find any kind of this discomfort while riding on it. The control levels is better than the previous model, and it gives a better comfort on this. So the pickup levels are medium. I don't get more power on this because it's a 250 watt motor. So I'm just riding with singles only. So far I don't feel any kind of discomfort on this. Moreover, you can't expect more on this because this is affordable with this affordable pricing. The price of this electric scooter is 29,000 rupees, whereas you can order this online, and you need to pay a little extra for the delivery charges. Apart from this, the price is 29,000 rupees. But in the 29,000 rupees also, the 1,000 rupees for the footrest, and the one more variant is 45Li. The 45Li pricing is 26,000 rupees, and whereas the 90Li, the pricing is 36,000 rupees. Whereas the warranty on this electric scooter is 2 years for the 90Li, which is 90 kilometer range electric scooter, and the 45Li and 55Li will get a warranty of 1.5 years, and the motor, the warranty is 1 year, and for the charger the warranty is 6 months. So if you see the battery indicator also, it is bright actually. It's even though it's very small also, but the visibility is good, especially the green color. Everything is fine. Even the horn is also good. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.